So October was one of my biggest months, and the reason why I'm having such a late update video is because I was on vacation in Punta Cana with my family, and I still did some trades while I was there. But October, I was able to collect $22,000. Yeah, my daughter just said she was on vacation too. So I was able to collect, where is my exact, $22,172 in October. And that is amazing. And for all those people that are saying like all he shows is his Discord, I'm just going to show you really quick. So obviously here it is. 281,000 plus 6,000 on today's gain. So year to year from 168 all the way up to 281. And all I do is cash your puts and cover calls, and every now and then I sprinkle in a little leap in there. And if you want to do year to date 174 to 280, 281. There was a high of 285 at one point when I was on vacation, and then there's that massive crash that happened. So this is exactly what I'm doing with my portfolio. Oh, what? I just closed that. So here's the Discord. And if you guys wanted to see every trade that I personally do, I put it in the Discord. There is a free version, which I actually need to copy and paste a few of these into the main trade channel. And in doing so, I have a premium version, which everyone gets to see my trades exactly when I make it. And they also get to see my friend John's as well. And then in the public one, I still put it there. I don't always put the strikes there because it's easy to like dissect the trade if you really needed to. And it's the best way because you have over how many, like 700 people in the actual Discord, almost 100 in the premium. So you get a lot of people with the same mindset of selling options for income. In there, you get to bounce ideas off each other. Obviously, you get one-on-one interaction with me and my friend John. Every now and then, we will jump on calls on here as well for like voiceovers and just talk people through their trades and just try to teach people everything as well. And that's what I wanted to get into because of that big downfall in QQQ. Let's put up Trading View really quick here. And we could put that right here. I have Tesla up, but let's look at the SPY. We had that big drop, which I'm on the daily. It's not even that crazy of a drop if you look at it from like looking at it from far out. But the VIX is still kind of high right now. But this is okay because what we're doing when we're selling options is that we're only doing this with stocks that we want in our portfolio, right? So as long as you have a high conviction in those stocks and that you're willing to hold them long term, you're not going to lose. You really can't lose. The only times you can lose, quote unquote, is that like you get assigned pretty high up, then there's that big crash, and then you panic sold, and now you did lose because you realized the loss. And that's going to be the tough part for anyone to swallow, is the swings of the portfolio. And I was just talking about this with a family member, saying a lot of people don't invest or don't trade because they don't like seeing the portfolio go up and down. And I get it, but you're not going to save your way to retirement. You're not going to save your way to financial freedom. And look, guys, I haven't put a single dollar in myself into this account for the last year. And it grew 100 grand, guys. It grew 100 grand without me putting a single cent into this account myself. All I did was stick with my strategy of cash secured puts, cover calls, using my stocks as collateral or my cash as collateral, let the market pay me, and do it in a specific way to be safe. Lower deltas, staying on the cash side a little bit more, taking profit whenever it's on the table, just take it and go, and just keep the compounded wins compounding. And in doing so, you're able to just stack the cash over and over again, so you could make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. And that's what I've personally been doing to get to where I am. And like, from what you see in my Discord, I'm using the same stocks over and over again. And I'm going to keep doing this until like the juice runs dry. Every now and then I will throw in a new stock because the premiums are juicy, but that doesn't mean I have to. Palantir's still giving me a lot of money. Hood's still giving me a lot of money. Hims is still giving me a lot of money. Yes, babe. Go get it. And in doing so, you just keep collecting and keep compounding, and that's all you have to do to win in this game. We figured it out how to gamify everything, and this is what we just can do to continue to win. So if you want to learn how to do this, I do have a course. It is the cheapest course out there. Use the code 36, you get 36% off. It's in the Stand store. If you want to check out the Discord, it is the cheapest Discord ever because the free version is free. And then if you wanted to go into the premium version, it's only $340 for the whole year. And then you get access to me and John, and we get to continue to learn how to do this all together and make money together. And that's all you got to do really quick. And thanks for watching. Hopefully guys, you guys are making money with me, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.